Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Today in this video I'll be sharing a simple mutton curry. No risky business. It's just one pot. This curry is all about the taste. So why wait? Let's get started. In a pressure cooker I'm taking 4 teaspoons of oil, a bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and cardamom, 2 each, 2 medium-sized onions sliced. Saute well until the onions are soft. A pinch of salt to quicken the process. Fry. You can also see the oiling bubbling up, also smells divine. You guys have to try this. Now to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well for a minute. Now let's add the spice powder, starting with turmeric powder half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a cup of water. Mix everything on low flame so that the spices don't burn. Oh, the color, my god. This looks great. Now let's add the meat. This is goat, 500 grams. Bone in, of course. Half a teaspoon of salt. Coat the meat with all the spices really well. Let's add half a cup of curd to make the curry richer. Mix. Half a cup of water. Also, I'm gonna link the simple non-veg curry playlist here, so please check it out. Let's pressure cook this 4 to 5 whistles. Okay, give it a 5. Looks like it's done. Oh my god, look at the color. And add some coriander leaves. Mix it really well. And there you have it. All done. Ah, so creamy. Also so very tasty. You guys have to. You guys have to try this. Please tag us on Instagram if you try and like our recipe. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. Bye bye.